Hey, so somebody was just asking about closing the door on the Element and still being able to hear wind and everything else while you're driving. What I did to remedy that, it's real easy. It takes like 10 minutes. I'll show you real quick. All right, you need one of these. It's an impact driver. A hammer. The impact driver goes onto these screws here. If you can't get to both of them, just pop this up. It just pops right up. You want to loosen the screws and then move this inward. Then come up here, pop this off. Oh yeah, weather stripping's in the way. Pull this off, and can't see anything. Yeah, I got this flashlight here. All right, and that's dead too. Jesus. All right. So these two bolts there. Oh, three. One in the middle, one on each side. Those are 12 millimeters, or if you have that star bit, either one. Loosen that up and then move it inward and tighten it down. That will cause the doors to close tighter than they do now after all these years. That should do it. Have fun.